Hello children, welcome to AIMS India online classes. This is a chemistry session. Now we are going to see the chapter acids, bases and salts. From this chapter we are going to say a topic that is acid base indicators. What are these indicators we are going to see here? A substance which detects the acidic or basic nature of another substance by changing its color is called acid base indicator. Yes, there are some chemical substances which can be used for detecting the nature of another substance by changing its color. Such objects or substances are called indicators. It is not advisable to taste any substance in the laboratory because it can be harmful. Yes, we say generally acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. So to identify its nature of a chemical substance in the laboratory, we should not taste them directly. So if it is sour, we can say acid. But to know the sourness of a object or chemical substance in the laboratory, we should not directly taste it without knowing its nature, because there will be some chemicals which cause harm to us. Okay, without knowing its nature, we should not touch or taste them. So how to know them? Then we can identify them whether an acid or base or any other substance by using these indicators. So these indicators they change their color in the presence of these acids and bases. Okay. Hence, an acid-base indicators are used to check if a given substance is either acid or base. So, how many types of these indicators are there? Yes, there are many types of indicators based upon their usage and sources. Yes, based upon the sources of these indicators and in which way they are used, these indicators are classified or categorized into different types. Let us see those are different kinds of indicators now. First among them is natural indicators. Okay, natural indicators. The indicators that are obtained from naturally occurring substances are called natural indicators. For example, litmus, turmeric, China rose, red cabbage. These are all the natural indicators because these indicators are obtained from natural sources, from the natural substances. Let us see out of these natural indicators one by one, from where they are prepared, how they can be used for detecting acids and bases. See the first one, litmus. This litmus is extracted from lichen. It's like a fungi and algae. From these, this litmus is extracted. So it is obtained from natural substances. So it is natural indicator. This litmus actually it is a purple color liquid when dissolved into water. So it forms purple color liquid with water. This liquid litmus can be used directly for detecting acids and bases, and this litmus is made into different paper strips. By using this litmus, different colored paper strips are made which are used to detect acids and bases. Yes, litmus comes in the form of strips of two color papers. One is blue color litmus, other one is red color litmus. These litmus papers are used to detect either acidic or basic nature of the substances. Yes, actually this litmus is a purple colored substance which is extracted from lichen. This lichen is taken from these fungi and algae. Okay, this is actually a purple color liquid. By using this, they prepare some paper strips. These litmus papers are of two colors, blue color litmus and red color litmus. These litmus papers are used for detecting either acids and bases. How to be done? The color of litmus paper in acids. Yes, if we take any acid solution and dip this litmus paper. If you take blue litmus paper and if you dip this blue litmus paper into acid solution, it turns into red color. Yes, it is an acid solution they have taken. See here, Into that they have dipped this blue litmus paper. So then immediately turns into red color. The same way, when you dip a red litmus paper into blue colored or sorry any basic solution, it turns into blue color. Okay, these litmus papers are of two colors colored. One is blue litmus paper, the other one is red litmus paper. If you dip blue litmus paper into acid solution or into any acid, that turns into red color. If you dip any red litmus paper into base, it turns into red blue color. In this way, litmus papers show different colors with the acids and bases, and hence those substances can be identified or detected. One more natural indicator, that is chain arrows. This chain arrows is another natural indicator. This chain arrows gives a dark pink color with acid and a green color with base. Yes, actually these chain arrows when it is extracted into the solution form, it forms a light pink colored solution. If you add these chain arrows indicator into an acid, that acid turns into dark pink or magenta color. When you add the same chain arrows solution or indicator into base, that gives this light green color. Okay, it gives dark pink color with the acid and a light green color with the base. In this way, chain arrows can be used for detecting acids and bases. In this way, this chain arrows acts as an indicator. Okay, let us see one more indicator, that is turmeric. Turmeric is also used as natural indicator. Turmeric is of yellow color, we know. Yes, in our home also they use in cooking purpose. This turmeric, which will be in the yellow color. Turmeric paper turns into red when it is dipped into basic solution, or turmeric turns into red color when dipped into the basic solution. Turmeric does not change its color with the acid. Yes, turmeric does not show any color with acids. It shows color change with only bases. It turns into red color. See here, this turmeric water or turmeric solution is taken. To this they added few drops or few quantity of acid. It won't show any color change there. But when a small quantity of base is added to this turmeric solution, it turned into red color. In this way, turmeric can be used directly in the powder form or in the solution form or by making it paper. This can be used to detect bases. Turmeric turns into red color when dipped into bases and reacting with bases. It won't show any color change with acids. Next, one more indicator, red cabbage. The juice of red cabbage is originally purple in color. Yes, generally when this red cabbage is made into pulp and juice, the juice obtained from this will be purple in color. The juice of red cabbage turns reddish with the acid and turns greenish with the base. Yes, this is a red cabbage. When it taken into extracted form or juice is taken from it, that will be in this purple color. This red cabbage juice, if it is added to a base, it gives a greenish colored solution. If you take the same red cabbage solution to an acid, that turns into reddish colored solution. In this way, red cabbage shows different colors with acids and bases, and hence those substances can be detected or identified. Okay, these all are coming under natural indicators. These all are extracted from natural substances, either red cabbage, turmeric, litmus, and chain arrows. These all are natural indicators. These are extracted from natural sources. Okay. Next, one more kind of indicators. They are olfactory indicators. The substances which change their smell when mixed with their acids or bases are known as olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators means the indicators which is show or which can be used for detecting acids and bases with smell, with the smell change. They are called olfactory indicators. They show different odor or smell with their acids and bases. So in that way they can be used for detecting those. For example, onions, vanilla extract or vanilla essence. These are examples for the olfactory indicators. Okay. If you take onion, the paste of onion juice, the paste or onion juice loses its smell when added to base. It does not change its smell with acids. So in this way, onions will show smell change. When this onion juice or paste is mixed with the base, it loses its odor. We know the smell of onions. The hot smell will be there for the onions. When this onion juice or paste is mixed with the bases, they lose their smell. It loses its smell. When it is added with the acids, it won't lose its smell. In that way, bases can be detected from onion juice or onion. So here what is happening? The smell is being changed. So the bases are detected by using the smell of the onions. So such kind of indicators are called olfactory indicators. One more, vanilla essence it is called. The smell of vanilla vanishes with bases, but the smell does not vanish with an acid. Yes, even vanilla also, it will be having some smell. It will lose its smell when added with bases. It will be with the same smell even after adding acids. Okay, in this way, they show difference in the smell when added to bases or acids. So these are called olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators are used to ensure the participation of visually impaired students in the laboratory. Yes, some students they are not able to see. Those they can identify or detect these acids and bases by using these olfactory indicators. So they're not able to see the color changes in the indicators. Then they can use these olfactory indicators so that smell change. They can identify, they can recognize acids and bases in the laboratory. Okay, these are called olfactory indicators. The indicators which show smell change. Next, one more kind of indicators, they are synthetic indicators. The indicators that are made in the laboratory are called synthetic indicators. Yes, these kind of indicators are prepared in the laboratory. So they are called synthetic. For example, methyl orange, phenolphthalein, etc. These are prepared in the laboratory, so they are called synthetic. How does this methyl orange change its color? It gives pinkish red color or dark pink or red color with the acidic solutions and a yellow color with bases. Yes, methyl orange. It is methyl orange. As its name tells us, it is in the light orange color. When this phenolphthalein methyl orange is added few drops to an acid, the color of acid turns into dark pink or red color. When you add this methyl orange to a base, the color of base changes to yellow color. In this way, this methyl orange can be used to detect acids and bases. One more indicator, phenolphthalein. It is also one of the acid-base indicators. It is a colorless solution actually. Yes, phenolphthalein will be actually transparent or colorless solution. It turns into pink color when added to bases, and it will be in the same colorless form when added to acids. It won't show any color change with acids, and it changes to pink color when added to bases. Okay, that is about different kinds of indicators. What we have seen, indicators means the chemical substances which are used to detect the chemical substance as acids or bases. Okay, these indicators are of different kinds based upon their sources and the way of usage of them. Among them is natural indicators is one kind. Natural indicators means the indicators which are obtained from natural substances. Example, litmus, china rose, turmeric, and red cabbage. These are the different natural indicators. One more we have seen olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators means the indicators which are used to detect the acids and bases by the smell change. By observing the smell. Those are called olfactory indicators. Example, onions, and one more we have seen vanilla essence. And one more category of indicators we have seen, that is synthetic indicators or man-made indicators. So these indicators are prepared in the laboratory. So these are of two types. We have discussed about two types of indicators. They are synthetic. One is methyl orange. In the name itself, it is there. It is orange colored solution. And one more phenolphthalein. These are synthetic indicators. Okay. Based upon these, let us say some assessment here. The substances that are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic is called. What it is called? Either acid or base or salt or indicator. What it is called? Yes, it is called indicator. The substances which are used to detect or to identify or to test the substances whether acids or bases are called indicators. Which of the following statements is correct? See the statements given here. Acids turns blue litmus red. Bases turn white litmus blue. Acids turn red litmus blue. Bases turn blue litmus red. Which is correct here? Actually, the color of litmus papers are of two colors, blue litmus and red litmus. Blue litmus is used to test acids. When this blue litmus is dipped into acids, it turns into red color. And one more litmus, that is red litmus. It is used to detect bases. When this red litmus is dipped into bases, it turns into blue color. Now here the correct statement is acids turns blue. Blue litmus red. That is correct. Next question. Find the natural indicator from the following. Yes, we told there are different kinds of indicators. Identify the natural indicator from these. China rose, sodium chloride, phenolphthalein, and methyl orange. Which is natural indicator here? Yes, it is China rose because it is prepared from the natural materials. Next one. The smell of vanilla vanishes with. Yes, with which the smell of vanilla will be vanished? With acid or base or both or neither of these. With which it loses its color, vanilla? Yes, with a base. Vanilla loses its smell with a base and retains its smell with an acid. The color of methyl orange indicator changes to dash with basic solution. What happens to the color of methyl orange in the basic solution? Actually, the color of methyl orange is like orange color. When a base is added to it, how does its color change? Red, yellow, orange, or colorless? How will it change, children? Yes, methyl orange color changes to yellow in the basic solution. Okay? One more. Phenolphthalein turns dash in acidic and natural solutions. How will this phenolphthalein shows the color change with acids and neutral substances? How will it? Will be it colorless or pink or red or green? What will the color of phenolphthalein in the acidic medium? Yes, it is colorless. It won't show any color with acids. Phenolphthalein actually it is in the pink color only. It won't show any color with acids. It will show color change with bases only, turns into pink color. Okay. Thank you for watching our video. Please visit our website aimstoday.in for latest updates and recorded videos.